Namaste Javins, myself Javian Dr. Farkha Khurana. Today we'll be talking about neuromuscular junction in human physiology. The junction between terminal branch of nerve fiber and muscle fiber is the neuromuscular junction. Neuro means nerve, muscular means muscle. So the junction between these two is the neuromuscular junction. Here you can see the structure. The calcium ions are present here, mitochondria is there. It has axon terminal, motor end plate, synaptic trough, subneural cleft. The axonal terminal is the terminal branch of nerve fiber. Motor end plate is the bulb-like expansion of axon terminal. Synaptic trough or gutter is a depression on the muscle fiber due to invagination of motor end plate. And the subneural cleft is a numerous fold of postsynaptic membrane. Then there is presynaptic membrane, which is the membrane of nerve ending. Postsynaptic membrane is the membrane of muscle fiber. The synaptic cleft is the space between post and presynaptic membrane, and the basal lamina is thin spongy layer of reticular matrix in synaptic cleft. Now, how does the neuromuscular transmission takes place? Transmission means there is transfer of information from motor nerve ending to the muscle fiber through neuromuscular junction to initiate muscle contraction. So whenever the motor nerve is activated or excited, it passes the message to the muscle for contraction, and this message is passed through the neuromuscular junction. First, there is release of acetylcholine. Then, secondly, there is action of acetylcholine. Third is development of end plate potential. Fourth, development of miniature end plate potential. And at the end, fifth one is destruction of acetylcholine. Here you can see how the acetylcholine is released. The action potential reaches the terminal. This is the active zone. There is voltage gated calcium channel. It opens up. This is axon terminal. These are the synaptic vesicles. The calcium enters the axon terminal through the open channels. The neurotransmitters removed from synaptic cleft, and the neurotransmitters are released over here and diffuses into the cleft. These neurotransmitters bind to postsynaptic receptors over here, and this is how the process is completed. This is the diagram showing the action of acetylcholine. This is the diagram showing the development of end plate potential. ACH is here, that is acetylcholine. There is generation and propagation of action potential. There is closed sodium channel and open potassium channel, and process of repolarization and depolarization goes on. This is the diagram showing the development of miniature end plate potential over here. Presynaptic cell, this is the postsynaptic cell. Between there is neurotransmitters are present over here. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that help in proper conduction of the impulses, which help in transmitting the impulses. Next is motor unit. The motor neuron, axon terminal, and muscle fibers together are called as motor units. And a motor unit consists of a somatic motor neuron plus all the muscle fibers it stimulates. See, here you can see the muscle fiber. In short, you can say the motor unit is the motor neuron and the muscle fiber together. The muscles involved in fine movements have less muscle fibers in motor unit, like the eyes of the muscle of the eyes, like ocular muscles, and muscles involved in coarse movements, they have more muscle fibers in motor unit, like the muscles of the legs. The recruitment of motor unit. How does recruitment or initiation of the impulse takes place? It is a process by which more and more motor units are put into action and force of contraction increases. So one muscle may have many motor units and of different fiber types. This is the applied physiology. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder where there are antibodies for ACH receptors. Then is Eaton-Lambert syndrome. It is also an autoimmune disorder of neuromuscular junction. So this is all in neuromuscular junction. I hope you understood this session. And this session is powered by Digital 2.0 version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.